redox reactions and electrode processes. The experiment corresponding to reaction can also be observed if zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. The redox reaction takes place, and during the reaction, zinc is oxidized to zinc ions and copper ions are reduced to metallic copper due to direct transfer of electrons from zinc to copper ion. Now, we modify the experiment in such a manner that for the same redox reaction, transfer of electrons takes place indirectly. Zn plus Cu gives Zn2 plus Cu. Now, we put the beaker containing copper sulfate solution and the beaker containing zinc sulfate solution side by side. We connect solutions in two beakers by a salt bridge. A U-tube containing solution of potassium chloride or ammonium nitrate usually solidifies by boiling with agar-agar and later cooling to a jelly-like substance. This provides an electric contact between the two solutions without allowing them to mix with each other. The zinc and copper rods are connected by a metallic wire with a provision for an ammeter and a switch. The setup as is known as Daniell cell. When the switch is in the off position, no reaction takes place in either of the beakers and no current flows through the metallic wire. Reaction takes place in either of the beakers and at the interface of the metal and its salt solution in each beaker. Both the reduced and oxidized forms of the same species are present. These represent the species in the reduction and oxidation half reactions. A redox couple is defined as having together the oxidized and reduced forms of a substance taking part in an oxidation or reduction half reaction. This is represented by separating the oxidized form from the reduced form by a vertical line or a slash representing an interface. Example, solid or solution. Example, Zn2 plus or Zn and Cu2 plus or Cu. As soon as the reaction undergoes, we make the following observations. 1. The transfer of electrons now does not take place directly from Zn to Cu2 plus, but through the metallic wire connecting the two rods. 2. The electricity from solution in one beaker to solution in the other beaker flows by the migration of ions through the salt bridge. The potential associated with each electrode is known as electrode potential. If the concentration of each species taking part in the electrode reaction is unity, and further the reaction is carried out at 298 Kelvin, then the potential of each electrode is said to be the standard electrode potential. By convention, the standard electrode potential E0 by hydrogen electrode is 0.00 volts.